Hi guys, if you want to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify, then this is the right video for you. Right now I am in the Shopify dashboard. You have to go to the app section, click on here. I have used Overload to import all the products, right? And on the top right side corner, you can see the customize. Just click on that. And on the search bar, you have to type AR reviews. So this is a free app. Just click on the add app, and after that you have to click on the install app and just follow the steps which I'm going to show you. So you have to skip the tour here, and we are in the dashboard of AR review. Then we have to go to the imports filter, and here you have to scroll a little bit down, and here you have to check this import review with images only, and after that we have to save it. Now we will go to the top of this dashboard, and here we will select Aliexpress settings. Just scroll a little bit down, and here you can select according to your preferences, like import English reviews only, import reviews with content only, and all these features. So select according to you, and after that you have to save it. Now we have to go to back, and we have to refresh this page here, and I have already told you that I am using Overload, so I will just go to the Overload, and I will go to the products and the extension. You can see here I will click import all reviews, and as soon as I will click here, you can see that this page will open import reviews for all product. And here I will select the numbers of reviews, the numbers of stars which I want, and everything according to my preferences. And after that click on import, and after clicking on the import, you will get all your reviews. You have to wait for a few seconds here, and as you can see here that I have got all my reviews. In somewhere you can find the error because that product don't have a 5-star review. And just for example, I will show you. Let's say if I click on this product, and if I just or take my mouse cursor to the stars, you can see here that there are 6 reviews imported here. So guys, this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, make sure to subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Till the time, take care. Goodbye.